This video, we're going to identify values for which the uh, rational expression is undefined. These are more problems from 14.1, and these will be like the problems number 11, number 15, number 19. That'll be it for this video. So let's start off with x plus 1 over x plus 9. And we need to think about rules of math about what we're not allowed to do. One of the things we are not allowed to do with division is we can't divide by 0. So the part that we're dividing by, the divisor, is in the denominator. So our denominator is not allowed to be equal to 0. So we treat that not equal to like it's an equal to sign. We just use our properties of equality here and subtract 9 from both sides, and x cannot be equal to a negative 9. So the rational expression is undefined when x equals, and you fill in the blank with the number negative 9. Now we're going to work on this problem. 2x to the fourth plus 3 divided by 8x squared plus 48x. So we're going to factor that denominator. It has a greatest common factor of 8x, and that gives us x plus 6. Don't worry about the numerator. We're going to set each of those factors equal to 0. And solve. And our box that we're going to fill in here is going to have negative 6 and 0 separated by a comma. But it's just going to say the rational expression is not defined for x equals, and it gives you a blank to fill in. And it tells you to separate separate multiple answers by a comma there. Right? And look at our last problem for this video. For y squared plus 12 over y squared minus 3y minus 4. And this is going to factor into y minus 4 times y plus 1. Don't worry about the numerator. Y minus 4 equals 0, or y plus 1 equals 0. I'm going to add 4 to both sides here and get y equals 4. We're going to subtract 1 from both sides here and get y equals negative 1. And when we have our box to fill in here, we're going to get negative 1 comma 4. All right, that is it for this topic, and we'll come back and talk about rules of exponents when we divide like bases. In our next video, we're going to use what's called the quotient rule for dividing like bases. So we'll see you for that next video.